Scale.
Residue.
Hey, that's my money from my job now. He's violating my law. I haven't done anything. No speeding ticket or anything. I haven't did shit. All I did was pulled over to let him go by. I haven't done anything else. He's gonna find my drink on the floor.
One more time?
He's gonna find that drink on the floor.
Would you have some more Remy?
Yeah, but it's my birthday.
Oh, what's that?
Oh, there it is.
Oh, what's that? What's that?
In the shoe. Multiple baggies.
Ooh, crack.
Told you I didn't have anything. What?
Come on, bro.
Bro, you know that's not my shit.
Oh my God. You got to be fucking kidding me.
The name in the shoes and everything, bro.
Bro, you just told him exactly where it was, dumbass. You just told him exactly where they found it at, and he didn't even put. You stupid.
Sir,
you told him yourself.
What's up?
You're a fucking
idiot.
idiot.
Go to the car and see if you smell weed.
Oh my God.
I don't
Forget
need
the
to.
weed.
It's his deal.
Forget
I
the
make
weed, sir.
He's
You're
lying
cooked.
on me.
You're cocaine, just like what they found.
Oh, there's the gun.
He got the blicky in there too.
Loaded magazine.
With the
chamber.
Taurus G2, what's the Taurus G23 or G2C? I can't tell. Probably the G23. Because I don't think the G2C got the right writing on it.
I'm gonna have to bond out. Can you grab my money?
I'm gonna have to
There's no bonding.
Ain't no bonding out.
Can
you
still grab
done.
my money and everything, please?
Yeah.